mi segi mi ge man cha to amak tha ho ki san achu do de we la na to hu mi bowling a thili ge la na ki tong do jo lo he ei bowling a ge til le na ki tong do jo we hi je jun dunia he da sei bang chun 44 AR ho he 44 ho chu italian khana in the ball gi mozan khwa ke din kilometer pa ti din khwa ke jing a he chan ge ya ti gi main na hu san he che bang a ti dunia he 22 AR ho he ama ho ma sana he ho he yenge no ho he si ni na lang ni na nei lo force na hi win hi je jun ho no mo la ko lung om nge no na phat na ke wan ke be hi je jun ni da ha lo di hi ti he tu na ki pin na ki pe na hi in a je chu e ho mei he CM pa he fai tu sunga ko na hin del do bu lu wa jong chu ni ko chem ta ka hab ta ka sunga he e tha chai gu ne he se ma sa yu he ko lang a sap ji mo i da wa he a tha mo teng se wa chu e hin no he ai le hi cha hai i pi hang ai bo man cha yang mo ho le ki cho ho la ngai poi bo te le na ko ne ki gu wen automatic man cha de bu wa ke te le nei chang yang lang ni lang thum lang na lang bu a dei ta ki la wai ho ka ni nga hung sai ni bo ai pa thien no ha ai le hi cha ni ko he in
I would like to give you a memorandum that we wrote today, and before giving you, I would like to read out so that everyone here will understand.
okay
Right, so hi memorandum hi lekha amho kichon do ding dei lo ji a amho po do ding dei lo ji a denun kya lekha ki sun hi in lekha hi English pa wa ki sun hin kin siming kate. Memorandum submitted to Sri Karthik Thapa, Colonel, 22nd Assam Rifle, requesting for the non-removal of Assam Rifle from Banglabung and hill area, submitted on 20th August 2024. Sir, ever since the outbreak of communal violence in the state of Manipur, the Assam Rifle have been instrumental in the safe evacuation of more than 60,000 innocent Kuki civilians from the Imphal Valley. Likewise, Assam Rifle have also been equally responsible for the safe evacuation of tens of thousands of Meitei civilians from the Kuki-Zo dominated areas. The non-partisan of the Assam Rifle stands testament to the impartiality and the reflect of non-communal stance they have adopted. However, lately the Meitei CSO, led by Kokomi, have been demanding the removal of Assam Rifle from the hill of Manipur and demanding that they be replaced by CRPF. While we do not have anything against the CRPF or their ability to protect repercussion of the public. Moreover, if this demand of the Kokomi is to become successful, it would be directly fact that both the state and the central government are acting only on the whims and fancies of the Meitei population, which would further the process of peace building and understanding. Unfortunately, in spite of all our prayers and requests to retain Assam Rifle in Manipur, if they were to be replaced by the CRPF or any central force, the hill would burn once again from within, and our people will forever lose their trust in the Indian government. Therefore, sir, it is our utmost request that the Assam Rifle be retained at all costs in all Kuki-Zo areas, and we assure you that we will extend all help and cooperation necessary to the Assam Rifle. Thangolun Kukian General Secretary Kukin. Thank you. Video
With due respect to the Constitution of India, I, on behalf of the people of Tuilang area, am standing. With due respect to the Constitution of India, I, on behalf of the people of Tuilang area, am standing here with Captain Anurod to हमारा मांग जो है, हम उस मांग पर हमने मेमोरेंडम जो दिया है, तो मैं ये स्टोरी को थोड़ा सा दोहराना चाहता हूँ. स्टेट फोर्सेस हो सब ने अपना अपना भूमिका निभाया है, लेकिन उससे सबसे आगे है हमारा असम राइफल्स, क्योंकि ये असम राइफल्स जो है अभी तक हमने मेमोरेंडम में भी मेंशन किया है कि ये असम राइफल ने हमारे लिए सेव सो मेनी लाइव्स ऑफ द कुकीजो पीपल एंड देन हेल्प द कुकीजो टू रिटेन देयर विलेजेस इन द हिल्स। तो इसी प्रकार से हमने आज ये मेमोरेंडम सबमिट किया है। तो मैं इस स्टोरी को फिर दोहराना चाहता हूँ। जब से मणिपुर का वो जो क्राइसिस शुरू हुआ है, उस टाइम ऑन द विजिट ऑफ द ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री अमित शाह जी, जब वो आए थे मणिपुर में, तो उसने हमको आश्वासन दिया था कि पीस 15 डेज में हम पीस ले आएंगे। तो उसके बाद जब पीस नहीं आया तो उनने मणिपुर को 2 भाग में डिवाइड किया, एक हिल और एक वैली। हिल को वो अपने खुद होम मिनिस्ट्री ने देखभाल के लिए उसने रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लिया, और वैली को सीएम बीरेन को उसने सौंपा दिया। तो उसी से वहाँ से हमने बफर जोन क्रिएट किया है। तो देयर आर सो मेनी इंस्टेंसेस दैट इट इज़ अ नॉन फैक्ट दैट द स्टेट स्पॉन्सर forces, especially the Arambai Thangols and the Meitei Lupuns, have been very actively with all the looted more than 5,000 guns from the state armory, as well as the ammunitions, have continuously been attacking the Kukizo villages. So many villages have been uprooted, so many churches have been burned, and so many lives have been lost. And now we are totally cut off from the valley, the Imphal Valley. So we have no connection whatsoever, even in politics. Even our 10 MLAs, they have not joined the recently concluded assembly session in Manipur. So this proves that not only that, even the doctors are not posted anymore. The valley doctors are not posted in the hills. The valley teachers are no more here. That's why we are totally, this is an instant that we are totally separated. And now peace may be in social media. There may be peace. It may sound like that there is peace in social media, but that is not true. The attack is continuing, and the government has not recovered the arms which have been looted, and then there is no peace, there is no connection has not been breached between the hills and the valley. So therefore we can conclude that there is no peace in Manipur. There is no peace in Manipur. And now the sinister design lately which has come to remove the Assam rifle is also a plan. It's a plan. We believe it's a plan by the state government to continue their active attack on to ethnic cleanse the Kukizo community in the hills. So therefore we are here, more than 1,000 women volunteers from the area. We are gathered here with our Kuki chief, Taka chief, Pulhunkuhan, and then the secretary, Lalkulun, and then Kuki vice president, Kuki NP, general secretary, KSO, Kuki women union. We have come to appeal to you, sir. Please give our memorandum to our Karthik sir. And